Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to block a YouTube channel, right? We will just go to the YouTube right here. We will just open our YouTube, and if you want to block a YouTube channel, it's very easy to do. So for example, like I don't like his content, right? So I will just go to his channel. Once I go to his channel, we can block just by clicking on the three dots which is on the top right. And once I click here, I will get this option hide user from my channel, right? So in this way you won't be able to see this channel, right? So for example, I just click hide user and hide existing and future comments from this user on my channel. So I'll just click on hide user, right? And in this way it will won't come to your feed, right? So it's very easy to do it, and you can also do it from here if you don't want to watch this kind of specific videos from his channel, where you can just click on don't recommend this channel and it will not recommend you until and unless you just go and watch his channel by visiting his channel page. So this is how you can do it, and yeah, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.